Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Grass Airdrop. So actually this is very easy to mine. You don't have to do any work. All you have to do is just come here and start the mining, and then that's it guys. And the end date is I guess in the March 8th or something like that. So you must try this airdrop as soon as possible, and it's very easy to try, and it hardly takes just 5 minutes of your time to complete all the work. Okay, so and this particular project have raised literally 3.5 million in the seed round alone, and altogether I guess they have raised above $4 million in the seed round. So we can expect a decent amount of airdrop from this particular project. Okay, and before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys, and hit the bell icon and like this video and continue watching it guys. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button, so just like the video and continue watching it. And this is our Telegram channel guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sense information, airdrop details and airdrop link and everything. And about this mode airdrop guys, in case if you watched my video back then and bridged above $100, you will get 5k extra boost because we were early for this mode airdrop. And if you don't want to miss out this kind of airdrop, no, must follow me inside my Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information. In case if you participated in the DeFi, you can check your eligibility and claim the airdrop, but mostly they gave the airdrop to the top level people only, including myself. I didn't get the airdrop from the DeFi, so don't worry guys in case if you don't get the airdrop, because we're going to get loads of airdrop in the coming future. So must try out all the airdrops so that you will get some airdrop in the future. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video guys. So first of all, about this project is get paid for your unused internet. Okay, so it's nothing but we just run this thing in the background, so it should be on. Okay, so if it's connected and if it's on, it will start mining for you. And people have mined so far so many tokens from this one, and the end date for this one will be in the March 8 to 9. Okay, I'm not sure exactly when it's going to end. So what you can do is just try this one now. We still have some time to mine some tokens. So what you need to do is I'll leave the link in the description. If you click on that link, it will take you here. So once you come here, we need to give our email address, and then we have to give our username and password and confirm password, and you must need a referral code. If you don't have the referral code, you cannot register here. I'll leave my referral code in the description. You can just copy it and paste it here, or else it will be available inside my Telegram channel. Okay, so just copy and paste it here and click on I agree to the terms and condition and check I'm not a robot, and then click on register. Okay, so guys, once you click on the register, the platform will be looking like this only. So this platform is kind of choppy. It's like very slow when I was actually opening it for the first time. Same like this only when it was coming. So now once it got open, the first thing what we need to do is we need to connect our Grass extensions. Okay, so I'll be leaving both of these links inside my Telegram channel guys. You'll be able to get this Grass link also in the dashboard link also. Okay, so once you click on the link, it will take you here. We need to add it in the Chrome extension. Just click on the add, and then just click on the add extension. It will get added in your Chrome extension. Okay, so guys, once it got added so just pin this one and click on this one, and here we need to log in. Okay, so just click on the login, and we have to give the same username and same password which you used here to create an account. Okay, so just give those things. So once it got open so thing what we need to do is we need to click on this thing, okay, on top. Once you click on the thing on top only, it will be getting connected. So here you can see network quality 75%. You are doing great. Keep connected to this site to earn. Okay, so once it got connected so here you can see our push to earning is started, and we'll be able to refer a friend, and this is the dashboard basically. So currently what you need to do is you can just leave this like this throughout, like throughout the day. Just leave just like that, then it will start mining for you. So finally you will be able to see the earnings of yours here. Okay, so in the push to earning, it will show how much you have earned, and I'll be updating you inside my Telegram channel how much I'm earning and how many tokens I've got. Okay, inside my Telegram channel, so must follow me here. And about this project, soon they'll be launching their token. Okay, so I don't know when they will be doing it, but soon they will do something about the project, because in the recent time they just did the post about the 100k they achieved in the Twitter account. So big things are coming soon, they said like that. So obviously this particular project is growing every day, every single day, so we can expect some huge amount of return from from this particular airdrop, and our work is nothing. Okay, so it hardly takes 5 minutes of your time to create an account and just start this mining. Okay, and it will start mining for you. All we have to do is just sit and wait, and after 1 hour or 2 hours just come back and check whether you have received some token or not. Okay, so here you will be able to see the today's earning, and here you will be able to see the epoch to earning. Okay, so this is it guys, pretty much these are the things you gotta do as of now. So if you want to do something more, what you can do is you can join in their Discord account. Okay, so just click on their Discord, then it will take you to their Discord account. So once you come here, we need to complete the first thing. Just click on the complete and scroll down, click on I have read and agree to the rules and regulation, just submit it, and then we need to click on verify. So once you click on verify, it will ask for the answer. Okay, so guys, once you complete the captcha, here you can see we have successfully been verified. Okay, so if you want to get the Grass Army role, we just need to make a tweet. Okay, so just click on the tweet. So after you click on the tweet, your role would have got added. Okay, so we'll be able to check in the army. Okay, so here you'll be able to get the role. If you want to see whether you got the role or not, just type some GN or GM and then just click on top of your thing, and here you can see Grass Army role we got. Okay, so just claim the role and just let it be like this. So this is not mandatory task. All we have to do is just we need to add this thing in the Chrome extension and create an account and just let it be. Okay, so after 1 hour just come back and check whether you have received some token or not. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be updating how many tokens I have received inside my Telegram channel for your information. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, hit the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.